Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our 6-foot A-frame picnic table. Be sure to assemble your table on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all parts are included. Please read the assembly instructions fully and follow all directions. This table includes 2 A-frames, 1 H-frame, 2 seat supports, 4 tabletop planks, 1 tabletop umbrella plank, 30 1/4 by 3 1/2 inch hex lag bolts, 2 1/4 by 2 1/2 inch hex lag bolts, and 32 flat washers. Recommended tools for assembly include a drill, a 7/16 inch socket bit, a 3/16 inch drill bit, and a level. 2 people are recommended for assembly. Begin by standing both A-frames upright and parallel to each other. Using the pre-drilled pilot holes on the outer sides of the A-frames as a guide, attach 1 seat support to the A-frames using 2 1/4 by 3 1/2 inch hex lag bolts and 2 flat washers. Repeat for the remaining seat support. Ensure all components remain properly aligned. Make sure the edges of the planks and A-frames sit flush with each other. Attach 1 plank to the A-frame and seat support using 5 1/4 by 3 1/2 inch hex lag bolts and 5 flat washers. Repeat for the remaining plank. Place the H-frame between the 2 A-frames. Attach the H-frame to the A-frames using 4 1/4 by 3 1/2 inch hex lag bolts and 4 flat washers. Ensure the H-frame is seated flush against the A-frames. Position the remaining tabletop planks across the A-frames and H-frame, placing the umbrella plank in the center, between the other planks. Using the pre-drilled pilot holes, attach all tabletop planks using 12 1/4 by 3 1/2 inch hex lag bolts, 2 1/4 by 2 1/2 inch hex lag bolts, and 14 flat washers. Note that the 2 shorter bolts are used at the centers of the outermost planks. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings A-frame picnic table.